Alright, we're out here with the Fimi X8, and just to show you, the cables are supposed to tuck into there, but if you have a big phone like I do, this cable connector will not go down in there. So I don't want to damage the cable by just leaving it sitting there or damage the port on my phone. So I printed out, get that here, come out. Alright. So I printed this out. So all it is a plastic piece, or if you can find a piece of plastic or whatever that big, and then I drilled a hole, or the printout comes with a hole in it, put a screw in one of these little standard phone cases you can find like at the dollar store or Five Below, and put that in there like this, and then slide that out, and there you go. So now I can put my phone in here. Sits in there good, and I can connect the cable in, and I don't have any issues with it trying to have to tuck it into here or anything like that. So that was just my quick fix for what I feel may end up damaging my port again, or this cable. So I'll leave a link below for the Thingiverse for it, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment about it at the bottom. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.